Hey guys, MD here. How's everyone doing? So I went ahead the other night. I put beta 4.0 on the grinder reverb, and I put a tune onto it. I put some HQ props onto it. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna rip and see what it's all about. What's up? What's up? So it's beautiful out here today, and we're headed to the field. I showed you what I was working with, the grinder, and what I've done to it. All right. Okay, so for whatever reason, they had the board on the gyro and on the yaw 270 degrees. I don't understand that because the arrow on the board is pointing forward, but it's clearly wrong because I had to roll it 180 degrees. We ran to the house and that's what was wrong, what I just told you. So let's see if we can get her airborne now.